Testing software is a crucial thing, and making this process automatic is super cool. Welcome to my course on Learn PyTest from Scratch. My name is Rohit, and I'll be your tutor for this course. Automation frameworks makes it easy to write a test, execute them, and report the result. PyTest is the most popular testing framework which is used in all levels of software testing. It is based on Python, which is the most powerful at the same time super easy to learn programming language. In this course, I'll start off by showing you how to set up a development environment for PyTest, where we will install the required stuff to get started. This course is packed with HD explanatory videos, and wherever needed, I have also added exercise and practice tests to give you practice for your new learned topics. What if you want to run some part of the whole shoot? What if you want to run same test with a different sets of input? Or what if you want to run multiple tests at the same time? I have got this all covered inside this course. By the end of this course, you'll be able to write a Python script to test anything using PyTest. This course is well suitable for intermediate Python developer who just want to level up their skill by learning this awesome framework. At the same time, I have also made this course very much approachable for software test engineers, QA engineers, or anyone who just want to learn PyTest in general. Feel free to take a look at the other preview video and also a full course curriculum. Enroll today, and I'll see you inside the course.